Smooth, lump-free protein shakes start with the right blender, delivering power, speed, and consistency for busy mornings, post-workout recovery, and quick nutrition without hassle, mess, or wasted ingredients in your routine every day. The best blender for protein shakes delivers consistency. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Compact Blender. The Ninja Compact Blender is a highly practical choice for anyone focused on making smooth, consistent protein shakes without adding complexity to their routine. Built around a 700-watt motor, it delivers enough torque to break down protein powder, ice, and frozen fruits efficiently, which is essential for achieving a lump-free texture. The Pulse technology gives you direct control over blending intensity, allowing you to avoid over-processing while still ensuring even mixing. This is particularly useful when combining dense ingredients like peanut butter or oats into shakes. One of its standout strengths is the nutrient extraction capability, which blends whole fruits and vegetables thoroughly, helping maximize the nutritional value of each serving. The compact footprint makes it well-suited for smaller kitchens or limited counter space, while the simple push-to-blend design reduces the learning curve significantly. For users with busy schedules, the single-serve 16-ounce cup is a major advantage, letting you blend and drink from the same container without extra cleanup. The inclusion of a spout lid enhances portability, making it convenient for gym sessions or commuting. Cleaning is straightforward, since all removable parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free, aligning with modern safety expectations. Number 2. ASTRALSHIP 1500-watt blender. The ASTRALSHIP 1500-watt blender is engineered for users who demand high performance and versatility, making it particularly effective for protein shakes that include tougher or more complex ingredients. With a robust 1500-watt motor, it delivers significantly higher blending power than standard personal blenders, allowing it to crush ice, pulverize nuts, and blend fibrous vegetables into a smooth, consistent texture. This level of power ensures protein shakes come out silky rather than gritty, even when incorporating frozen fruits or thick add-ins like nut butter. The addition of a professional tamper is a notable feature, as it allows you to push ingredients toward the blades during blending, improving efficiency and reducing the need to stop and stir manually. Another distinguishing capability is its built-in heating function, which expands its usability beyond cold shakes to include soups and warm beverages, making it a multifunctional kitchen tool. The 14 preset programs combined with 9 adjustable speed levels provide a high degree of control, enabling users to fine-tune blending consistency according to their preferences. The durable glass jar adds a layer of safety and heat resistance, while the Keep Warm function enhances convenience for those preparing drinks in advance. Number 3. Nutribullet NBF 50500 Blender. The Nutribullet NBF 50500 blender offers a balanced combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it a strong contender for preparing protein shakes with consistent quality. Equipped with a 1200-watt motor, it provides sufficient power to blend protein powders, frozen fruits, and leafy greens into a smooth mixture without excessive noise or vibration. What sets this model apart is its dual functionality, offering both a large capacity pitcher and single-serve cups. This flexibility is valuable for users who sometimes prepare individual shakes and other times need larger batches for meal prep or family use. The inclusion of 3 precision speeds, along with a pulse function and dedicated extract program, allows for controlled blending that can adapt to different ingredient combinations. Its extractor blade uses cyclonic action to break down ingredients efficiently, ensuring even distribution and minimizing chunks. The build quality is reinforced with BPA-free materials, maintaining safety while keeping the unit lightweight and durable. The included accessories, such as multiple cups and to-go lids, enhance its practicality for daily use. Number 4. Colarlemo 32-ounce blender. The Colarlemo 32-ounce blender is designed with performance and convenience in mind, offering a solid solution for protein shake preparation across different use cases. Powered by a 1200-watt motor and capable of reaching speeds up to 25,000 RPM, it delivers strong blending performance that can handle ice, frozen fruits, and tougher ingredients with ease. This ensures protein shakes come out smooth and well mixed, even when incorporating complex combinations like seeds or dense powders. A key highlight is its upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blade system, which is engineered to improve cutting efficiency and durability compared to standard blade designs. This results in faster blending times and more consistent textures. The inclusion of 3 cup sizes adds flexibility, allowing users to adjust portion sizes based on their needs, whether it's a quick single serving or a larger batch. The one-touch operation simplifies usage, making it accessible even for those unfamiliar with advanced blender settings. Stability is enhanced through a non-slip base, while built-in ventilation helps maintain motor longevity during repeated use. Its portable design, combined with to-go lids, makes it suitable for active lifestyles where convenience is a priority. While it may not offer the advanced programmability of premium models, it compensates with straightforward functionality and reliable performance.
Number 5. Nahida 23-ounce blender. The Nahida 23-ounce blender focuses on portability and efficiency, making it a suitable option for individuals who need a compact yet capable solution for protein shakes. With a 1200-watt motor and speeds reaching up to 25,000 RPM, it delivers enough power to break down ice, frozen fruits, and protein powders into a smooth consistency. This level of performance is notable for a blender in its size category, as it ensures reliable results without requiring a full-sized countertop unit. The 2-in-1 blade system adds versatility, allowing users to switch between blending softer ingredients and grinding tougher items like nuts or coffee beans. This makes it useful not only for protein shakes, but also for a variety of kitchen tasks. The inclusion of 3 portable cups enhances its practicality, enabling users to prepare drinks and take them on the go without transferring contents. Its compact design allows it to fit easily into small kitchens, offices, or even travel setups, which is a major advantage for users with limited space. Safety features such as stable base construction and secure operation contribute to a dependable user experience. While it may lack advanced controls or presets, its straightforward functionality is part of its appeal.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.